Chia seeds are the edible seeds of Salvia hispanica, a flowering plant belongs to the mint family Lamiaceae, indigenous to central and southern Mexico. Chia seeds are oval in shape and their color is grey with black and white spots, having a diameter of around 2 millimeters or 0.08 inches. These seeds are highly versatile. They can be soaked and added to porridge, developed into pudding, utilized in baked goods, or simply sprinkled on top of salads or yogurt. Chia seeds are hygroscopic, absorbing up to 12 times their weight in liquid when soaked and producing a mucilaginous coating that delivers them a gel texture. Nutrition facts of chia seeds. Chia seeds dried raw, nutritional value per 100 gram are 3.5 ounce, energy 486 kilocalories, carbohydrates 42.1 gram, dietary fiber 34.4 gram, protein 16.5 gram, fat 30.7 gram, saturated fat 3.3 gram, monounsaturated fat 2.3 gram, polyunsaturated fat 23.7 gram, omega 3 17.8 gram, omega 6 5.8 gram. Vitamins in chia seeds per 100 gram. Vitamin A 54 micrograms, folate 49 micrograms, vitamin C 1.6 milligrams, vitamin E 0.5 milligrams, niacin 8.83 milligrams, thiamine 0.62 milligrams, riboflavin 0.17 milligrams. Minerals in chia seeds per 100 gram. Calcium 631 milligrams, phosphorus 860 milligrams, potassium 407 milligrams, magnesium 335 milligrams, iron 7.7 milligrams, zinc 4.6 milligrams, manganese 2.72 milligrams. Health benefits of chia seeds. Antioxidants present in chia seeds can aid to combat free radicals in your body. Antioxidants found in chia seeds include 1. Caffeic acid, 2. Chlorogenic acid, 3. Camphorol, 4. Quercetin. Health benefits. 1. Packed with nutrients. Chia seeds possess fiber, protein, omega 3 fatty acids, calcium, magnesium, iron, and antioxidants, conferring a nutrient boost in every serving. 2. Aids digestion. Chia seeds are a superb source of dietary fiber, which assists healthy digestion, inhibits constipation, and contribute to gut health. 3. Supports weight loss. When soaked in water, chia seeds extend and form a gel-like consistency, giving you a feeling of fullness, decreasing appetite, and helping with weight management. 4. Promotes heart health. The high omega 3 fatty acid content in chia seeds helps in abating bad cholesterol LDL and promotes good cholesterol HDL, curtailing the risk of heart disease. 5. Regulates blood sugar level. Chia seeds can slow down the absorption of sugar in the bloodstream, declining blood sugar spikes and good for diabetic patients. 6. Boost energy and endurance. Chia seeds supply a constant release of energy, making them a great choice for athletes, fitness enthusiasts, and those with active lifestyles. 7. Boost skin and hair health. The antioxidants and omega 3 in chia seeds helps fight free radicals, promoting youthful skin and strong healthy hair. 8. Supports bones and teeth health. Chia seeds contains high levels of calcium, magnesium, and phosphorus, which are essential for bone and dental health. 9. Supports brain function. Omega 3 fatty acids in chia seeds contribute to improved cognitive function, memory, and overall brain health. Daily dietary intake of chia seeds. The ideal daily intake of chia seeds depends on individual dietary requirements, but general recommendations are adults 1 to 2 tablespoons or 15 to 30 grams per day, children 1 to 1.5 teaspoons or 5 to 10 grams per day. Nutrition facts per 28 grams. Calories 138 kilocalories. Fiber 10 to 12 gram. Protein 4 gram. Healthy fats 8 grams. Carbohydrates 12 grams. How to consume chia seeds? 1. Soaked in water or juice. Chia seeds should immerse in liquid for 15 to 30 minutes before drinking. 2. In smoothies, blend them with fruits and yogurt for a nutritious drink. 3. Add it to yogurt or oatmeal. Sprinkle over breakfast bowls for extra nutrition. 4. In salads and soups, chia seeds may be stewed on top for added texture and nutrients.